Step 2 in Alcoholics Anonymous is often a turning point. It asks us to admit something powerful. Came to believe that a power greater than ourselves could restore us to sanity. This isn't about religion necessarily, it's about acknowledging that we need help. Addiction is bigger than us. We can't white-knuckle our way out of this alone. When we hit bottom, we're left with a choice. Keep fighting a losing battle or surrender to something bigger. This step is about letting go of the control we never really had. It's saying, I can't do this on my own. That's not weakness, that's strength. It takes courage to admit you need help. Surrender doesn't mean giving up. It means opening yourself up to the possibility of change. It's about accepting that there might be a better way. This step is about hope. It's about believing that even though we haven't been able to fix ourselves, something else can. One of the biggest misconceptions about Step 2 is that you have to believe in God. This isn't true. The beauty of this step is that your higher power can be anything that represents something bigger than yourself. Some people find comfort in a traditional God. Others connect with nature, the universe, or even the collective power of the AA group itself. The key is to find something that resonates with you, something that gives you a sense of hope and possibility. It doesn't matter what anyone else believes. What matters is that you find something to put your faith in, something that makes you feel supported, not alone. This might take some exploration. You might have to try on different ideas. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Talk to other people in recovery. Read the big book. The answer will come when you're ready. Faith isn't just about religion. It's about trust. It's about believing in something even when you can't see it. In recovery, faith is essential. It gives us the strength to keep going when things get tough. It allows us to believe that change is possible, even when we don't feel it. When we have faith in a power greater than ourselves, we open ourselves up to possibilities. We start to believe that we can recover, that we can be happy and whole again. This belief is powerful. It can change the way we see ourselves and the world around us. Faith allows us to let go of the need to control everything. It helps us to accept that we don't have all the answers. And sometimes that's okay. In fact, it can be incredibly freeing. Section 4. Putting faith into action. Working Step 2. Step 2 is about more than just believing. It's about taking action. Here are a few practical things you can do to start working this step. Be open-minded. Don't dismiss the idea of a higher power before you've given it a chance. Talk to people. Share your thoughts and feelings with others in recovery. Listen to their experiences. Read the big book. It offers guidance and support for working the steps. Meditate or pray. Connect with your higher power in whatever way feels right for you. Take action. Don't just think about it, do it. Attend meetings, work the steps, and reach out for help when you need it. Remember, working the steps is a process. It takes time, effort, and willingness. Be patient with yourself, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Section 5. A journey, not a destination. Embracing the process. Step 2 is a journey, not a destination. It's something you'll come back to again and again throughout your recovery. There will be times when your faith is strong and times when you doubt. That's okay. It's all part of the process. The important thing is to keep coming back. Keep searching for your higher power. Keep believing that recovery is possible. Because it is. Recovery is a gift. It's a chance to live a life free from addiction. Embrace the journey. Embrace the support. Embrace the possibility of a brighter future.